Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look just using drugstore products. Of course, I'm not going to be recording the base. Like this video or comment down below if you guys want an in-depth base tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my skin, my foundation routine, contour, highlight, all that good stuff. Can we just admire the look? Extra fab, Euphoria vibe, under 10 bucks. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I actually upload a lot of reels on there and a lot of me, of course. And I'm very active on my stories. All my social medias are actually going to be listed down below. Oh, and I also paired it up with these Chanel inspired earrings. Very chill. I really love the crazy glam with like very casual, a casual outfit, just because I want the drama and the focus, the attention to be me, my face. Right? I hope you guys really enjoyed the look. Okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into the eye look. I'm gonna be using the Sugar Coat by NK Beauty palette, and don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the shades I will be using. I did pick like a chocolatey color for my transition. As you can see, I'm just fluffing that out towards my eyebrows. Guys, this palette was only $5, and you guys see the pigmentation. It's absolutely gorgeous. After I fluffed that chocolatey color out, I'm gonna be going in with the darker brown, and I'm just gonna be focusing that on the outer V. I'm gonna be fluffing this shade towards like the crease area, but not really moving it too much, just fluffing it out so it can look very smooth and soft. As you can see, I'm going to be going in back and forth with brushes just because I want this look to be extremely smooth and soft, and just adding and blending, adding and blending. Hey bestie, but you have to go visit your local beauty supply and your local drugstore because this palette is absolutely gorgeous and it's only $5. Like, you cannot go wrong with $5. Also, NK Beauty carries lots of different color variations, and I actually am obsessed with this palette. Please, I do hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know down in the comments how has your summer been treating you and any planned vacations, because girl, I need new spots to visit. So yeah, let's chat. So I was gonna go in with like a pink shimmer, but I was like, you know what, I'm feeling goldy, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna use the gold shimmer from this palette. And guys, do you see this pigment? With this palette, I do believe that when you apply their shimmers with your finger, it actually looks more shinier than with a brush. But I did not want to go crazy with the shimmer. I wanted like a soft glam. Guys, I could you not, this shimmer just reminds me of like Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty, like, doesn't it? The shade I'm going to be using on my waterline is actually going to be the same one I used for my transition shade. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. black line, going more for like a matte look. If you guys know the type of liner that Maddie in Euphoria has, that's the type of liner I'm going for. Very long, very sleek, especially in the inner corner. She never does too much. Just keeping it simple, but very dramatic. Now I'm going to be going in with my rhinestones, and fun fact, I actually used the Got To Be glue for my rhinestones. I feel like it's easier. Don't freaking laugh at me, okay? Don't clown me. Yeah, I totally feel like it sticks, and even when you're sweating, you're out in the club, whatever you're doing, it sticks. So I started off very simple, and then I'm like, you know what? I need more drama, and that's what I did. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye!